A great workhorse and a very versatile vehicle just arrived in. It's one that we've previously sourced and supplied. Honda CR-V ES VTEC 5-door urban titanium metallic. It's like a brownie bronze metallic. Great value for money. This is a 2-litre petrol 4-wheel drive. They do a 2 and a 4-wheel drive, so very versatile. Registered in January 2013, just a 2-owner car. Let's show you around it. Makes a great workhorse. It's got one or two little marks on the bodywork around, but nothing major at all. But we'll show you on the video, so you can make an informed decision all about the vehicle. So massive boot space in there, additional storage under there, spare wheel there. All the seats drop down. You've got a secondary floor as well, rear parking sensors. So as you can see, a little mark on the rear bumper there, and just there on the loading area, and just on the corner of the bumper. But generally the car is very straight on the bodywork. No major dents or major big scuffs anywhere, but little marks on the paintwork. Rear privacy glass. So just a little edges on the marks there. Must always open the door on the vehicle slightly, just mark the paint, but nothing major as I mentioned. All the wheels are in good condition. Again, no major chunks out of any of these. Matching Dunlop tyres all the way around. Little scuff just on the near side front bumper on the bumper corner, just on the black trim as well. But the rest of underneath there, as you can see, nothing major at all. It's got headlight power washers. Again, just a little scuff down the bumper corner there, and again all down the sides, nothing major. And just the odd little mark down the side. Inside's nice and clean and tidy. Door trim's nice and clean, not been abused on there. Non-smoker's car. Lots of space in there. It's got the leather, part leather and Alcantara trim. Again, all that's in great condition. Rear centre armrest with cup holders in there. Electric windows, electric mirrors. Again, the trim's in good condition, just slight wear just there, just pointed out on the driver's door, but no tears on that at all. And just a little bit of wear just on the driver's seat, but again not worn through, no rips, no tears. Again, all the dashboard, all the trims in good condition. Mileage of 78,396, that's what it's done, 78,396. Leather multifunction steering wheel. Stereo CD, good radio on it. Dual zone climate control, 6-speed manual gearbox, stereo control, channel changes, cruise control, all nice clear layout, onboard computer, giving you miles per gallon, fuel consumption, fuel range. Electric folding mirrors, auto dimming mirror, individual armrests with cup holders and storage just there. You've also got heated front windows, locking wheel bolt, a great 4x4 ideal towing vehicle, value for money. Vehicle's just gone to the workshop. We've carried out a full service on the vehicle, good history previously. As I mentioned, just 2 owners from new, alloy wheels, headlight washers. So there we have it, an ideal workhorse 4x4 ready for some winter. So as we've pointed out, there's 1 or 2 little marks on the bodywork, nothing major, nothing drastic, runs very, very well. Any further information, please give us a call, 01782 822 700. Read about our raving fans reviews and you'll see why customers come back to us time and time again, like this gentleman who asked us to source this vehicle and his next vehicle from us. Specialist Cars, a multi-award winning dealer based in Stoke-on-Trent, Staffordshire. We make buying and selling cars a simple, hassle-free process. Our phone number again is 01782 822 700. So why should you buy your car off me? Very simple. We've been established since 1997 and our full way of transparency is to show to you how nice all our cars are. So rather than just comparing prices, we urge you to compare the specification, the condition and who you're dealing with. Read about our raving fans review and you'll understand why customers come back to us time and time again over generations. We have full on-site facilities for servicing, repairs, MOTs. Every single car goes through our workshop before you buy it. All are full HPI checked to ensure there's no outstanding finance, there's no damage, not been stolen. That gives you the confidence to know that that car is absolutely perfect. Why not follow us on Facebook? You'll get full updates of every single car, or exactly what's going on in the premises here. You can buy any of our vehicles 24/7 off our website. Click and reserve, come and collect. Alternatively, we can arrange home delivery. Buy it from the comfort of your armchair. Simple as that. With the full video, you know exactly what you're going to get. No nasty surprises. Check out our YouTube channel. Follow us on there and you will get updates of every single car as soon as it arrives in. Here to help you, give us a call 01782 822 700.